Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Made Easy. Today, I'll show you how to deposit funds on Antarctic Exchange in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide covers you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Launch the app. First, head over to the Antarctic Exchange website and click on Launch App to access the trading platform. Make sure you're using a secure browser like Chrome or Brave for the best experience. Step 2. Connect your wallet. Next, you'll need to connect your Web3 compatible wallet to interact with AX. Supported wallets include MetaMask, OKX Wallet, and WalletConnect. Simply click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet, and approve the connection. Step 3. Approve the wallet connection. Now you'll see a pop-up asking for permission to connect. Click Authorize or Confirm, and make sure your wallet is connected to the correct blockchain network to avoid issues. Step 4. Choose the right blockchain network. Before depositing, you need to select the blockchain you want to interact with. Antarctic Exchange currently supports Arbitrum, recommended for best experience, Core Bitlayer Ethereum. For a smooth and cost-effective deposit, we recommend selecting Arbitrum. Step 5. Navigate to the Assets page. Now, let's go to the Assets page. This is where you can track your balance, deposit, and manage your funds efficiently. Step 6. Click Receive to deposit funds. Once you're on the Assets page, click Receive to start your deposit. You'll be transferring funds from your personal Web3 wallet to your Antarctic Exchange funding account. This ensures secure and self-custodial storage. Step 7. Select Blockchain and enter deposit amount now. Select your preferred blockchain network from the drop-down menu. Supported options include Arbitrum, Core, Bitlayer, and Ethereum. Next, enter the deposit amount. The minimum deposit is 10 USDT, so make sure you input the correct amount. Step 8. Confirm and sign the transaction. Once you're set, click Confirm, and your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Before signing, ensure you have enough ETH on Arbitrum to cover gas fees. Once confirmed, just wait for blockchain verification, and your funds will be credited to your AX funding account. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into Antarctic Exchange. You can now start trading, staking, and exploring DeFi opportunities on AX. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.